Hey guys, it's Ego Games, and I'm on the train, and it's really hot. Ew.
Now arriving at Bentley.
It's not really hot, it's like pretty hot. Like, it's not cold, it's hot. Like, I'm just gonna get home, get a cold shower, and then just kick back, do some video for you guys. And it's been a hard day today. I went to school today, like every weekday. And I dropped my phone. Sorry. Oh, good. Damn it. Christmas chip. Nah, that was it before. But really tired. Just need some sleep. And do a video for you guys before I go to bed. Hopefully sleep earlier. Maybe. Or stay up all night, I don't know. One or two. But this weekend there'll be Sunday. Maybe.
Now arriving at McKinnon.
No, Sunday. Maybe I will be Sunday I'll edit the video and then release it at about release it maybe 12 o'clock in the day. Might take a little while to upload, but that's how we do it in Victoria. And yeah, I would. Shattered, absolutely shattered. See the bags, they're massive black, not happy, it's tired, and stinking hot. So I taught some Year 7 kids to play soccer.
Now arriving at Ormond.
But if you're in a different country, like the UK, it's football. I call it football, but for the Australians watching it, I had to call it soccer so they know what I'm talking about, not this Aussie rules crap. But you can't tell I'm English, because I've been here pretty much most of my life. So I haven't got an accent. Some words I have an accent, some words I don't. But you might hear me sometimes in some of my videos, my English accent might come out. Well, let me stop then. Yeah. So guys, this is Ego Games. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you later. Adios.